Across many industries, cable management continues to be a challenge. From wear and tear, to tripping hazards, to tangled setups, these issues shorten cable life, increase service costs, and pose serious safety risks. That's where our B-motor assemblies come in. Delivered ready to mount, with pre-drilled holes for fast and hassle-free installation. Powered by our NEG'ATOR spring technology, this system uses a high-yield stainless steel coiled band to deliver constant force, making it ideal for applications needing long extensions, minimal gradient, or strong initial force. Perfect for EV charging cables and more, our assemblies keep cables elevated, assist with smooth retraction, and eliminate ground contact. That means less damage, fewer trip hazards, and reduced repair costs. Have a unique need? We offer fully customizable setups built around your application. Contact us today or visit us at Hunter Spring and Reel.com to learn more.